Chai Oz. I love the name, by the way, because I used to argue with a friend of mine that Australia is called Oz, and they were like, no, it's not, and it's Chai Oz. So yes, it is Oz. We are having vada pav, of course. These are cauliflower bites, and these are jalapeno bites, which I'm very excited to try. Oh my god, you're already trying it. I thought we'd wait for the chai, but obviously he can't wait. I can. Wow. Just imagine my mom's cheese rolls. And we're trying the, I don't know, it's a milk cake, rose cake in milk. And a lot of people have been talking about it, and it's been really popular, so we're trying that. Hello, excuse me. I thought we'd wait for the chai. Yeah, these are good. Oh, no. Cannot be wasted. These are going too fast, really.
I know. So I'll have to eat one of these.
Oh. Every restaurant we go to, we tell them that he's really good with spices. And then he's like, my name is Gora Pakora, the handle, but I can handle spices.
Like, I mean, if they could do that, habanero also,
Habanero? What is habanero?
you wouldn't
Oh, the type of chili you're saying, yeah. No, thank you. This is perfect. My mom used to make cheese rolls when we were kids, and we would eat them like there was no tomorrow.
That is too good.
I always get very competitive when I'm eating along with him because he's always like eating, and I'm like, no, wait. And I'm like, he's eating all of it, and I get to eat.
Stop thinking, mate.
This is supposed to be so sesame seeds and honey. That's the cauliflower. Okay, this is really good.
And I want to take a moment. The menu. It is incredible. The details, the images, like, for people who don't know what things are, it's perfect. There's lots in the menu.
Yeah, and the food pictures actually match the actual food.
Yes.
So that always helps.
To be honest, photos never do it justice, and this is one of those cases for sure.
I'm actually side-eyeing the jalapeno bites because I'm like, I need to eat them as much as he's eating them. Yes. I gave you a whole green chili, baby.
I'm very happy about that.
Did you just eat the whole chili? I would have like half a bite. I was gonna ask you, is it hot? And I was like, wait, it's gone. How is it?
For me, the chili's just got a little bit of heat, but it pairs so perfectly with that vada pav.
Yeah, I love that the bun is soft. Like, these are just basics, you know. That's mine. I'm hiding it.
Is that spicy? Is that spicy?
Slightly. You know I don't eat spices as much as you do. Now stop fucking doing that. Yeah, it is slightly spicy, but it's not like spicy. It's nice. I like it. What I don't usually like is when there's so much chili that I can't taste anything else.
You wouldn't have liked the green chili then.
Oh,
Because
okay.
it actually had a little bit of heat.
Whatever, now you've eaten it. Yeah, I don't know if this video will work on YouTube because of the music in the background.
That's YouTube's problem.
The bondi is really nice.
I was just about to say I love it when it's slightly crispy. Like you've got the crispy outer and then the soft inner with the soft bun. I very much appreciate layers of textures
Yeah.
alongside flavour.
Of course, texture can really change the whole dish. I can't believe we're making like a full video of us eating. I don't think we've done that before. These are also nice because they're nice and crispy.
Crispy and also not soggy because they've used the right temperature.
Ah, yeah, not soggy at all. And the balance of taste is nice. A lot of places do them very sweet.
Yeah. Like there's a sweetness, but there's a savouriness and and it's also like all of it enhances the base flavour because sometimes like an ingredient will get overpowered by what you add. So it's like it is very well balanced flavour wise.
Yeah, this definitely
And
has
texture.
this spicy, like not like spicy, but it is like I'm. What is giggles when I can't stand the spicy? Yeah, but this is a nice Bombay vada pav because it's spicy. Yeah, I think I can maybe manage one more bite and then it's all yours. They also have a samosa pav. And they even had like aloo tikki sliders.
There is so much on the menu. I literally want to try everything.
I genuinely didn't expect so much stuff. Because, you know, I thought it was like a cafe.
Yeah, I don't research. I just arrive and I immerse myself in the experience. And from first sight of the menu, I was like, this is going to be epic.
Yeah. I like the murals also. I feel like it's a nice clean place. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the energy is.
Not in terms of hygiene. I mean in terms of just the feel of the place. It's like nice and clean.
It's because the energy flows.
I have seen some videos of the owners and they seem really, really chill.
I'm definitely coming back, 100%.
But there's so much to try. How could you not? It's on O'Connell Street in Adelaide. It's very nice to have a place like this in the city. I'd love that for you.
Thank you.
But the jalapeno bite is mine.
That combo.
Oh, yeah? Honestly, I feel like the
Yes.
jalapeno bites are my favorite. Like, you know, because I'm comparing. I could eat like another bucket of those.
I'm not comparing to the all epic. I would happily
It is
order
epic.
all of it.
Of course.
If you said to me pick one, I'd be
Acha.
like,
Oh, okay.
they're all that good.
Jalapeno bites for sure for me. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a second, go get a spoon. Okay, we found the spoons or the fork. These are called forks. Oh, hello, excuse me. I have been wanting to try this since I saw it on their feed. Mmm. Okay. I see the appeal.
I can't tell you yet.
Mmm. It's got like rose petals on it as well. And there's like slight milk at the bottom, which I feel like. You know, it's not like. Wait. Mm. 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 Okay, yeah, I really like it. It's not like too sweet. It doesn't feel too heavy. It's nice and airy.
Every bite, I'm noticing a different flavour sort of takes the front seat.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
I can see why it's so popular.
Yeah, isn't it? That's nice.
Mm.
It's really nice. They also have a pistachio version of this. We are having the rose version.
And it's like, I've come from the gore of the coral land. This is like, the fluffy and softness of this is like,
It's different.
oh my god.
You know, like how some cakes are like really dense, but the ones that mom makes at home are always nice and fluffy. This reminds me of that.
Yeah, I mean, this is like a new world of fluffiness for me.
This is totally different. I've never eaten a cake like this before.
Mm.
Yeah.
I couldn't work here. I'd be the size of a house.
Baby. Hanging out with you, I'm becoming the size of a house anyway.
You're just a bar door at the moment.
Excuse me, but where did it go?
Yeah,
We just finished cake.
that's how good it was. All of it. And yeah,
We've
this
inhaled
chai.
Yeah, now we have chai.
Oh.
We've inhaled all of it essentially. I mean, I could totally eat all of that again, like right now.
Maybe twice over.
I will become a house, okay? Stop it. Okay, I'm gonna pause till we wait for the chai and have our chai is here. That's the kesar chai with saffron, and this is the kadak chai. You can see the color difference. It's slightly pink and it's slightly yellow. Should we just?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
It feels cool, so I'm going to try this one.
Ah, it is slightly cooler. I can smell the saffron in that.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
Mm.
I've never tried a chai like this before.
This is nice. It's nice and strong chai. Switcheroo. Yeah, that's not as hot actually. Oh my god, kesar. Oh. The
Yeah.
problem I have with kesar is that whenever I put it in food that I'm making, I tend to put too much. This is like perfect when you can
Yeah.
actually taste the kesar.
I mean, for me, that is pretty much glugging temperature. What do you reckon?
I can't glug chai. Come on.
I could glug anything at the right temperature.
I'm sorry, but this is like I love this.
Yeah, me
Oh my god,
too.
it's so good.
I mean, the cutting chai is also awesome.
Yeah, but it is.
For me, I like really strong
Yeah, so that's
cardamom.
the kadak. The kadak means strong, so it means the chai looks strong.
But I, like, for me, I love that chai. But me personally, I would add a ton of cardamom.
It does have cardamom,
Yeah,
but not like
but
for
for
you.
me, I
yeah.
love the cardamom to be as strong as the chai.
I
I didn't get another sip.
get it now. You took the first sip anyway.
I mean, that speaks to how good this is.
Oh my
We both want to drink.
god. And normally, like, I'm not really even a tea drinker. It's so funny. It's like, even my sister laughs. She's like, you had to come all the way to Australia to find a desi white guy and start eating Indian food and appreciating it more. 10,000 kilometers travel for this. And I am grateful for it, but sometimes it's irritating.
I had to fight in a battle to not finish that while we were talking.
Likewise. Now. Fuck, this is so good.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's like I'm happy to come back here just to have this.
I mean, if there was a way for me to have that intravenous,
I can see the saffron. Okay, that you can have both. Enjoy. All yours. वो कहते हैं ना हिंदी की तृप्ति हो गई वो वाली चाय पी के तृप्ति हो गई मेरी तो इसकी भी लग रहा है मुझे
and whatever milk they're using, it just
हाँ
it matches this chai.
interesting I hadn't even considered that
Because different milk affects the mouthfeel as well as the flavour. And for me, like it's don't want it to end.
I know it's really good I mean have I had kesar chai before but that's the thing I never really drank tea I've never really been a tea drinker so this is a different kind of experience and literally I feel like this is such a nice close to the meal with the saffron chai
And then you've got to wait like 30 seconds because then you get another drop.
yeah been there done that not with chai ever before but
In the bottom, there's just that.
maybe I think at least the Indians will know what we're talking about
Some of the Gora Pavoras might not know yet. There's just that little, just that little tickle for the taste buds.
oh that was exceptional
And then because you swish it between the roof of your mouth and your tongue, and then it just coats the top of your tongue, so it reactivates that flavour again.
yeah I mean the thing is I have experienced that but I don't think you can articulate it the way he articulates it
It's because I'm present.
I am also present okay guys yes we highly recommend Chai Oz I love the name from the get-go so beyond that I hadn't really thought about anything but the food is also quite good and I definitely see us coming back here at least for that kesar chai if nothing else and the
Yeah.
jalapeno bites for me please yes
And
maybe they should have like a bucket of jalapeno bites and like a jug of kesar chai and that will be me and him sorted
yes, please. And I mean, the halwa. Like I've seen halwa on the menu, so next time that
You
is
wanna try the
definitely
halwa?
going to be important.
There's lots on the menu, man. It looked honestly when I walked in, it didn't look like there was a lot, but that's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that you can have. Don't just go by what's visible on the display cases. The menu has quite a lot of stuff.
Yeah, do yourself a favour and come. Just hurry up. Stop waiting. Don't think. Just come.
Bye. Sip the fusion, taste the tradition, and we both think that that is actually accurate for Chai Oz.